had like a little goal this week. Tried to get me. Knocked his ass right out. Yeah, facts. And the corona over here. Right? Yeah. You gotta take care of that body. They tried. Yeah. But one who YouTube was up. I had a okay week. Jumped in a few trades. Made a couple of dollars. Also lost a few trades. Being greedy and thirsty. I learned a lot this week about greed, patience. Greed and patience I learned this week. Because the reason why I say that is because beginning of the week I was killing it, right? Made some money. But then I felt like I had to be in the trade. I felt like I wanted to just trade. I felt like I like seeing the numbers go up and down. So I want to get in and make some money. Those trades turned around on me. You know why? Because those wasn't the same trades that I would normally be taking. I didn't set it up right. Because normally I'm a limit order kind of guy. I set buy limits, I set buy limits, and I set sell limits. Okay? I don't really do market execution like that. Unless I don't know if the market is gonna go. Hold on for 1 second, y'all. Hello? Yeah? Alright, call you back, okay? I'm on a live recording. Call you back. Now, here we go. So now we over here doing what we do, and we made some money. Like I said, I made some money this week. But like I said, greed, and me just wanting to be in the trade. You know what I mean? So with that being said, it showed me why I should stick to the rules. It showed me why I should not do anything other than what I was trained to do. Period. No matter how good the market might look. But look, I thought the market was going to push because I seen a large candle. I'm like, yeah, let me get in there. You gotta do it the right way. Okay? So, I want to go over some trades that I took today, yesterday, whatever. I lost a few trades. So everything that I was making, I pretty much gave it back, and then I took it back, and now like I'm building it back up again. So it's like I really messed up by doing that, by just jumping in these trades. I shouldn't have did it, and then I over leveraged. That's why I'm really getting hammered, because I'm over leveraging. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm over leveraging on my trades. Not too much, but I'm probably doing about 15-20%. Not gonna lie. Pretty high. So I did AUDSD and AUDSD. We're gonna look at it right now. Let's get into it. AUDSD. See, if I would have stayed in the trade, I would have made some more money. Look at this. About to drop. Okay, so I'll probably be looking to get into this trade tonight. Okay, because all this is doing is retesting. So all I do is drop down to a smaller time frame and wait till it come into my strike zone and take the buy. Take the buy. When it comes to my strike zone, take the buy. That's crazy too, huh? So yeah, I was selling this, like I was showing you, I was selling this, and I should have stayed in the trade, but I wanted to get out before the market closed. My stupid ass thought it was the weekend. Yeah, I thought it was the weekend. So I jumped out early, premature. I made some pips. I can go over it right now what I did. 7,300. Let me go over here. Right here. I started from here. $7,300. Boom. And I took it down to 727. Right there. 727. Right here. Good 39.40 pips. Not bad. Okay. I had another position as well, and I made an extra couple of dollars on that as well. And I got in at 729, like right around here. I got in again right here, and I took it down to the same spot. And I jumped out. So I made like 60 pips altogether, like 20 and 40, you know what I mean? Something like that. So it wasn't a bad trade. Mark up the chart right now. Try to see what we're gonna do for the night. You know what I'm saying? Being that I'm bored. So me per se, I would wait. I wouldn't touch this. I'll wait till it get to right into this zone right here. I needed to come into this zone right here. As soon as they come into this zone right here, I'm in it for the buy. Okay, I'm in it for the buy. And we're gonna take the market up. And this is on a what? It's on a hour chart. See? On the daily. See? Now we could break, and we could be hitting this, and to be breaking all of this, but I doubt it. I think we on an uptrend. I think we reversing with this one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. See what happens. The market is dropping. I do want to get into it, and that's what I was doing earlier this week. I was seeing moves like that and not doing it right, and it cost me. I should have stayed in the trade, and I would have been good. You know what I'm saying? Playing myself. This is all me right here. Boom. This is all me. It's all good though. You live and you learn. Yeah, you live and you learn. So right around this zone right here, I definitely want to be looking to get into a buy opportunity. Euro. Yeah, I had this waiting too. Right here, right around this zone here. You know what I'm saying? UJ. Yeah, I marked up UJ. You see what happened? It didn't come all the way up. I was waiting, boy. I was waiting for that, but it didn't give me what I wanted. What I wanted. You know what I'm saying? So this week right here, the week that's coming right now, what I'm gonna do I think I'm just gonna get ahead and just mark up mad charts. I'm just gonna mark them shits up, and I'm gonna load them shits up to my MetaTrader. And if they hit, they hit. That's what I'm gonna do, because I think I'm spending a lot more time on the charts than I need to be, because you know I'm still a rookie, still trying to get mines in. You know what I mean? But I really don't need to, because I got the skills. So I'm just testing out different ways to trade, you know, seeing what works for me pretty much. And I'm in the gold trade right now. I'm in there for a buy. Yep, I'm in there for a buy right now. So I just want this market to push up. If it could just push up like to right about here, I'll be fine. Then we got GU. Let's see. USD CAD. I think homeboy called a buy on this. Hold on, let me. Yo, these dudes be capping. I tell you, man. I tell you. I gotta find that group. Give me a second, y'all. Shit. He put me in here? Yo! I didn't know. I'm down. I'm trying to find this group. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second, because these cats be calling out trades and I be laughing. Damn. I ain't gonna find it. Yeah, I ain't gonna find it. Yeah. Oh, here you go. This is it. Yeah, this is that motherfucker. I just gotta find the trade that he said. This one, USD CAD. Hey, look, 13. Oh, that's why. Yep. Yep. It was. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to find this, man. Can't find it, y'all. I dead can't find it. I don't want to cap and say the wrong thing. But yeah, that's it, I guess. You know. Hit the like button, comment below. I don't do it anyway, you know. Well, on that note, guys, you know what I'm saying? Those are the trades I took. The following week, like I said, I'm just going to be marking up charts. I'm going to be logging them in. I'm just going to be taking these trades. I'm just going to go ahead and go for it all. You know what I'm saying? Boss up. We'll continue to get bossed around. You know I'm bossed up with good life. Get down. Peace.